Okay, part F is asking what's going to happen to the speed if the mass doubles on block 1, and nothing is going to happen because acceleration doesn't get affected by mass. So, yeah. Okay, part G is asking what's going to happen to acceleration if the mass doubles. And I believe that's going to decrease because if the block is heavier, then it's going to be harder to push. And if it's hard to push, then the acceleration is going to be less. I'm just referring to Newton's second law regarding this problem, or this part, so that's it. And then for H, it's asking what's going to happen to work if the block doubles in mass, and I believe that it's going to increase due to the same idea of like Newton's second law, where if it has more mass, it's harder to move. And if something's harder to move, you're going to have to put more force. And if you have more force, then more work is being done because work is force. Okay, part I, last part, it's asking if there's any angular momentum going on in like the whole system, and yes, there is. It's going on in C to D because there's friction, and since there's friction in that segment, we know that torque is happening, and therefore C to D is when the sphere's angular momentum has change seen about its center of mass.